If you want to replace this parking button, it's quite simple. Open your door, remove this panel on the side. Using a flat bladed screwdriver, pop it in there. This pops off like that, and then simply put your fingers behind this button and just push, and it pops out like that. And then you can unclip it, just pull this grey thing upwards and pull on the switch and it just comes off. I did buy this replacement, but I don't think the button is the issue, even though a lot of forums do say to replace the button. So I think the problem is to do with one of the calipers, because only one of them seems to be clamping down. When I go to pull away, you can feel it like tugging on like one side of the car. I can't really work out which side it is, because it sounds like the calipers motor's trying to work on both sides, so it's hard to tell. But I might have to jack my car up and have a little tinker around with the wires. Maybe there's a loose connection somewhere. In the meantime, I'm going to enjoy my Earl Grey, and I hope you liked this video. Hope it helped you. If it did, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.